This video is a beginner's tutorial on how to build a website using Lovable AI and publish it completely for free. If you want to follow along with me, you can use the first link in the description to open Lovable. You will see an interface like this. To start creating your website, click here on Get Started, and then you can choose whether you want to create your account with Google, GitHub, or continue by entering your email. After creating your account, it will ask you a few basic questions. You can select any answers and continue forward. You can now see the interface after a successful login. This is the prompt region where we can enter our prompt and start building our website. On the left side, we have different settings, but we will explore them later. For now, let's start building our website. If you scroll down, you will find some amazing templates that you can use to build your website. Over here, we have the plus icon. If you click on it, you will see options such as taking a screenshot and using connectors. Click on Manage Connector, and you can see that we can connect various tools here, such as Lovable Cloud, Lovable AI, Stripe, and Shopify. These connections can be used inside our website to make it more functional by adding backend, AI, payment method, or any functionality that you want. Next is the Attach option. If you want to use images or files to build your website, you can attach them here. Next is the Theme option. If you want to follow a particular theme for your website, you can choose it here. But if you want the AI to figure it out on its own, you can leave it as it is. Next is the Chat option, where you can chat with the AI and ask for suggestions or improvements inside your website. You can also provide an audio prompt here. For now, I already have a prompt prepared, so I will paste it here. It says that I want a portfolio website for my video editing services, including 3 tiers with different pricing and features. In my past videos, you may have seen that I always recommend giving a detailed prompt. However, Lovable is smart enough to understand even a basic prompt, so you can go ahead with something simple. After entering the prompt, you can see that Lovable is thinking, and after a short time, it will start building our website. You can see it listing the design direction and the features that will be included in our website, such as a hero section with a compelling headline, a services overview, 3-tier pricing cards, a contact call to action, and responsive navigation. This process may take some time depending on the type of website and the features you want, so for now, I will skip to the part where our website is ready. You can see that after waiting for some time, our website is ready. It is in dark mode and looks quite good. You can see it has been named Frame Flow, and these are the navigation buttons. Here it says Transform your vision into reality. We have buttons to view our work and see the pricing. If you scroll down, you can see the Services section. Next is the Featured Work section. You can see that we have hover effects as well. If we click on them, nothing happens because we have not built a backend yet. You can also build a backend with Lovable using the connector feature that we saw earlier. Next is the Pricing section that we asked for. We requested 3 different pricing tiers, and you can see them here: Starter, Professional, and Premium, each with different pricing and features. Moving ahead, we have the Contact section. You can also navigate by clicking on the menu, and you can see that it takes us to the respective sections. We will see how to improve this website, but before that, let's check some options available here. If you click on the plus icon, you can access various options, such as modifying project settings and checking your history. If you click on Knowledge, you can add custom details about your website, such as guidelines and context, to improve your project edits. You can add your instructions here and save them. For now, let's go back. We also have the option to connect our GitHub account. You can see some other options that were present earlier as well. Next is the Visual Edit option. You can click on it and then select any element on your page, and you will get options to edit it. I will click on a button, and you can either go through all these options to change the element manually, or if you don't want to do it yourself, you can simply ask Lovable AI to make these changes. For example, I will say, change the button colors to white, and then click here. Lovable will take some time and then implement the changes. You can see that our project is being updated, and after some time, the button colors have changed. Visual Edit is a great feature that allows you to make changes manually or use AI to make those changes. Next is the Chat option, which, as I mentioned earlier, allows you to chat with the AI without directly editing your project. Now, let's say you feel that some feature is missing in your website and you want to add it. What you can do is simply add a new prompt here and ask Lovable to build it. I will ask it to add a section with different features available for editing, and after selecting features, the pricing should update based on the requirements. I will hit Enter and skip to the part where this feature is ready.
You can see that it says our feature has been added. Let's check it out. This is the section where we can customize our package, and different features are listed here. For example, you can select an extra 5 minutes or extra 10 minutes. We also have other options like custom motion graphics, visual effects, and 3D elements. You can select whichever features you want to include in your video editing package, and you can see that the total price is shown here. This is how you can add extra features to your website just by asking the AI to do everything. This way, you can build as many features as you want. Now, let's explore some other options. If you click here, you will be able to see the history of all the changes you have made. So far, we have made 3 changes, and you can go back to any of these older versions whenever you want. Next, you can see a full screen preview by clicking here. You can see that our website looks very good in full screen mode. Let's go back to the normal preview. Next is the cloud option. Here, you can build a complete backend and add AI models so that you can focus on building your app. You can see features like built-in backend and the option to add an LLM to your app. It is free to start, and you pay as you scale. Lovable uses Supabase as its backend infrastructure. You can click on Enable Cloud if you want to use it. Next is the design option. You can see that we have 2 options here, Themes and Visual Edit. We have already seen Visual Edit, so let's click on Themes. You can see many different themes available, and you can hover over them to see how they change your website. If you like any of them, you can click on Apply to apply the theme. This light theme looks very good on our website, so let's apply it. After a short time, the theme is successfully applied. If you want, you can go back to the original theme at any time. Next, if you want to see the code used to build this website or modify it according to your own requirements, you can click on Code and see all the code files here. However, in the free plan, this is only available in read-only mode. If you want to edit the code, you will need to go for a paid plan, but you can still copy or download the code. Next is the Analytics section. Once you publish your website, you will be able to see all the analytics here. Next, we have different previews, including the tablet preview and the mobile preview. If you want to see how this website will look after it is published, you can click here and see the live preview. You can see that in the preview, this website looks very good. If you want to share this website with others, you can click on Share, invite people directly, or create an invite link and share it. You can also sync your project with GitHub for better version control and easier collaboration. Finally, to publish your website, you can click on Publish. If you have your own custom URL, you can enter it here, or you can use the default URL provided by Lovable. You can also choose who is allowed to visit your website and review the security settings. Once everything is ready, you can click on Publish to publish your website for free with a default URL. If you need additional features, you can upgrade to a paid plan. If you click on Upgrade, you can see that we are currently on the free plan with our free credits, and we were still able to build a very decent website. Going for a paid plan will unlock more advanced features. You can see the different pricing plans here, compare the features, and select the one that best suits your needs. You can also choose an annual plan to get a discount. If you scroll down, you can see that if you verify your student email ID, you will get a 50% discount on the Pro plan. So this was everything about how you can use Lovable as a beginner and build a website according to your own needs and publish it for free. If you want to know about other AI website builders like Lovable, you can check out these videos right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.